What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Werner and in today's video we are going to look at the screen recording app for your Android phone called the AZ Screen Recorder. I recently got a drone and I really want to start making drone footage, but also record my settings and the drone's flight path as I'm flying it off the phone. And yeah, today we're going to be looking at what the app can do and its features, so stay tuned. Okay, before we jump into the app, I just want to remind you guys I'm still giving away the Canon waistcoat jacket. I'll put the link here if you guys want to go check out that video. The last day for entries is Sunday, which is tomorrow, and I'll do the draw on Monday. So yeah, check it out. Okay, let's dive straight into the app. So the AZ Screen Recorder works on Android devices, which is updated on Android 5.0, or which will work on Android 5.0 and upwards. And it's free of charge to download from the Google Play Store. The app will allow you to record anything on your screen without any brand restrictions or watermarks. Okay, once installed, it will create this floating icon, which you can literally place anywhere on the screen. When you run the screen recorder, it will open up 5 different options. Those options are settings, screenshot, your video recording, your live streaming, and the home page. Let's look at the first option, which will be your settings. Here you want to manage the quality of the video. Under the video settings, the first one we can change is our resolution. I keep my resolution at 1920 by 1080. The next one we can change is the frame rates. Can go up all the way to 60 frames. Bitrate, I've set it to the highest at 12. You can set this option here. You set your screen orientation. That is to lock your screen should you want to film vertically or horizontally. I keep it on auto because I flip the phone quite often. The next one, if you want to enable or disable audio on your external microphone. And the last one, it just lets you know that it is currently using the phone's own microphone, not an external mic. The rest of the settings we can leave on default. I don't think you'll need much there. The camera icon below your settings icon, that is just the screenshot. Most phones nowadays you can take a screenshot, but the option is here if you would like it. But should you want to use the app, you can just click on it and there it took the screenshot for you. If you want to start taking a video, you'll click on the red camera. I'll click on it. And there it will count you down 3, 2, 1, and there it's starting the video. Should you wish to cancel or stop the video at any time, you just pull down from top to bottom and there it says AZ Screen Recorder, and here we can pause or stop. There press stop and there it will say your video has been saved. If you click on your next icon below the video camera, it's your live stream option. If you click on that, should you wish, you can live stream to Facebook, YouTube or Twitch, which is quite handy. The last but not least icon is the home, the green home tab. If you click on that, it will open up your saved screenshots and videos. If you click on the menu option right in the corner by the 3 bars, what's handy here is the Wi-Fi transfer option. So this is quite nice. Your phone will send your video clips or screenshots directly to your PC for further editing or whatever you plan on doing with the clips. Okay, another thing guys, please remember, as you'll see as you're using the app, every now and again there are ads that pop up. Should you not wish to receive the ads, you can pay, in South Africa it's 36 Rand 99 cents, and the ads will be gone for like the premium version. But really you can use pretty much all the functions of the app is for free, so it's not necessary. But if you're one of those people that do not like seeing pop-up ads, you can just pay that small fee and they will be gone. Well, that's it from me, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new here. Don't forget about the jacket giveaway. Unfortunately, those are for South African residents only. And yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.